I've been looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your eyes. She's been looking for a reason, and I think she found it in my mind. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd.
Good morning, guys. It's very early here locally in Denmark. It's 3:30 or something, and I just got out of bed. And you might be wondering why I'm whispering. It's because I don't want to wake up my wife. Today we are going on a very nice trip to capture the sunrise over a local castle in Elsinore. And this is going to be pretty cool because this is a collaboration with an Instagrammer that is pretty good at taking pictures. So I actually might learn something very cool today. I will head off to Elsinore and see you after the intro.
Yes. Du starter og så piller jeg ud.
Now we arrived at the destination, and I think time is now around 4 a.m. in the morning, and we have a very nice horizon, and the weather is perfect for flying, and I think we will get some really good footage today. Let me show you how it looks right now. It's a bit cold down here, so I have to go back to the car to get some extra clothing. While I'm doing this, Kumran is actually preparing his Inspire 2. I think the plan right now is to use a 45mm lens, like capturing a 2x magnified image of the castle. So that'll be interesting to see the result of that. And I will of course sneak after this lovely machine with my Mavic Air to see if I can capture some supplementary footage as well. The castle that you see in the background is Kronborg. It's also the castle of Hamlet, the one that Shakespeare used as an inspiration in his play, where everybody ended up killing each other in the end. So let's see if we can capture some stunning footage from this really unique place. You know what they're saying, that the male species is not very good at parallel processing. So I will not be talking to the camera while we're filming, but I will see if I can capture some mood shots in between.
I've been looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your eyes. She's been looking for a reason, and I think she found it in my mind. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights. In a bottle, and now everything's over. She's been looking for the good love, and I'm standing in front of her. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights.
I'm back from the trip to Helsingør, where we hopefully capture some good footage. Take a closer look. So this was a snippet of the footage that we captured today. I hope you liked it. And the guy that joined me on this trip is Kumran. And he is an Instagrammer that takes some really amazing night photos. And if you want to check out his profile, I will leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Kumran, for joining me this morning and also for letting me fly your Inspire 2. By the way, are you new around here? Then consider subscribing to more weekly tips, tests and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and give the video a like if you like this type of content. It is a bit different than what I normally do. But by hitting the like button, it helps me understand if you want more of this kind of vlogging content. And of course, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.